Are you struggling to get more leads for your yacht rental business in Dubai? Well, the secret could be as simple as using the right keywords. Today, I'll show you how to do keyword research step by step for yacht rentals companies in Dubai using two powerful tools, Answer the Public and Lowfruits. Now, these are not common tools, so I just wanted to cover them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the keywords that drive traffic and help you dominate search results. Okay, so let's talk about why keyword research matters. Without proper keywords, your website won't show up when potential customers are searching for services like luxury yacht rentals in Dubai, or yacht party packages, or yacht rental Dubai for couples, and so on and so forth, right? This is what people are asking if you look at Google Images and, or even on Google itself. This is what people in Dubai are actually searching for when it comes to yachts. Okay, great. Now, so Answer the Public. What is this tool? This tool here, this helps uncover what people are asking, while Lowfruits, this is the tool here, it helps identify low competition keywords that you can rank for. Okay, so let's start with Answer the Public. Go to answerthepublic.com. You need I think the free one works, but if you need, you can take a subscription. And let's type in yacht rental Dubai, and let's see what happens here. Okay, yacht rental Dubai. I've selected the country UAE, yeah, and the language I've kept it as English. Let's do English first. So what happens is, you get questions that people are asking, you get prepositions, and you get it as highly searched or average search, etc. You get cost per click data. Then you can get related queries, so on and so forth, comparisons, etc., etc. So that's great, and you can show it either in a visual way. It shows you, for example, yacht rental Dubai with jacuzzi and yacht rental Dubai with slide. This section is fully having 14.8 thousand search volume every month. Yeah, and you can see the cost per click is around $4.22. So people are already active here, spending money here, advertising here. You can show it in a list form as well, so that way you can see yacht rental and deep sea fishing. These are comparisons. People are comparing it with dinner, with slide. So prepositions are connectives, right? So that's also there, and you get a whole lot of information. So this, how to use it, sort by search volume, highest first, right? So it gives the idea of these are the highest, and you can see the bidding is pretty high. Now, if you can search for something which is, not, if you want to go down, you find the low volume searches, right? So look at this, small yacht rental Dubai, 260 searches, $2.32 per click, right? If you add up all these searches here, you get 205 is about 1,000. So if you can dominate this, that could be a nice way to drive traffic to your website. So this is a long tail keyword, right? This is a way to kind of identify what people are asking for. So that's keyword research. What do you do next? You create content that answers these questions, useful, valuable content, and then you can drive traffic from Google and other search engines. Okay, so that's the way to do using Answer the Public, right? What I generally prefer doing here is I like to go to things like numbers. Let's say usually this will be yacht rental Dubai for 10 persons. So search volume is very less, but the CPC is also low. So it's a chance for you to dominate that exists, right? So I like to do that. You save that data. You can download this. You can save this as a CSV, or you can download the image as well. So you can keep this for your reference and start building out your content around these that answer these questions. Okay, now you get into Lowfruits. Okay, you may have to buy some credits here, but they do give some around 3 searches. So go to the keyword finder here, right? Select your country, in this case UAE. I'm saying I picked up one of this here, yacht rental with dinner, right? It's got about, I think, 140 searches. It's nothing great, but I'm just trying to build for long tail keywords. Yacht rental for dinner. I'm going to search here and I'll show you how it works. So what this tool is doing is scans Google search results and it's highlighting low competition opportunities. It's much better than more expensive tools than SEMrush, and I'll show you in a few minutes. Let's give it some more time. It may take a few seconds. So what we need to do is look for keywords marked with low competition or search SERP results, right? Okay, so I'm going to use 21 credits. Here we go. So this is still getting search analysis is in progress here. It's going to take some time. Let's give it some time. I will cut this and come back to it. Now I'm going to click it here. So if you go here, what you get to see here is, I'm just going to make it. So look at this cluster of words. The search volume is quite low, all right, but huge amount of weak spots, right? So it shows you the websites that talk about this, but their domain authority is pretty low, right? So you can see domain authority 11, Dubai Yacht Rental has domain authority, Book Yachts has domain authority 16, but they're ranking pretty high in search. Why? Because there's not much competition. So you can totally dominate these. The more the greens are found, these are the fruits, right? The more the weaknesses are there. So typically I would just stay in the, let's say, top where you have what, 5 fruits here. So these are the long tail keywords that you can potentially dominate. And just if you want to view the search on Google, just take a look at it, who is coming on the top, right? So these are the guys who are coming on the top here. So, and you know, they don't even really talk about dinner, but I think, you know, for example, this guy did talk about dinner. He's a sponsored one, so there's ads there. All of these are sponsored, right? Except this couple of ones here. So if you go here, romantic yacht, let's take a look at that. Okay, so you can get to see what is covered here, some pictures, you know, what you can do for dinner, where you can go, what are the add-ons. It's a nice little article that he has written, and this is what you need to do. You know, it's a beautiful landing page. Now this is what you need to do to drive traffic to your website as well, right? So that's given you a good clue. So, and the domain authority is quite low for many of these websites, so you can totally take charge of these keywords, right? So the trick here is aim for keywords with decent volume but lower competition. Those are your sweet spots, right? And that's what these fruits are telling you. So it's very easy. The analysis is already done. Okay, there's another trick here is, I think it also shows you questions that people are asking here. If you click here, these are the questions that people are asking. How to rent a yacht? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? The cost is a big thing. Can you rent a yacht? Right? These are all, you know, opportunities for you to do articles and fill the gap that in what people are asking. Okay, so how do you put all this together? So first, create a keyword plan. Combine the data from both these tools. Now you can download the result here as well. Export. You already downloaded it from Answer the Public. Create a content and ad strategy both, right? For example, blogs, you might want to create how much does it cost to rent a yacht in Dubai. The landing page may have luxury yacht dinner parties in Dubai, for example. FAQ section, you should have probably answer the most common questions that are being raised by Answer the Public, right? Keyword research does not need to be overwhelming. That's the good news. Tools like Answer the Public and Lowfruits simplify the process and help you identify the best opportunities. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions. Let's get your yacht rental business ranking on the top. Okay, and I've got the links to the tools in the description. All right, take care.